All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got my last update for you guys on Jack's 1968 Chevelle. So all the interior work is done, tubs are done, everything's been metal finished, looking all good. Drip rails done. We got some tub action in here, guys. Sorry, I gotta get super low. Tubs are done. The trunk lid is back on. Jimmy just got those torsion bars back in there. Got the tubs from the back right here, guys. Everything looking good. Trunk pan's good. Just need to throw a little bit of paint on this back seam, but you guys, this thing is killer. This whole thing is gonna get painted, so we're not too worried about the little marks and little paint. I just wanted to cover up the bare sheet metal. Again, drip rail on this side. And we also got the transmission tunnel in there. That was an update video a while back. But yeah, pretty much all we need to do left is put the wheels back on it, get her on the ground, and then Jack is going to come pick her up today, guys. I'm super excited to see this thing done and get out of my shop and on to the next thing, guys. Can't wait to see this thing with the suspension and the motor in it. It is going to look pretty rowdy. So I'll do an update video when Jack gets it painted, gets the engine and all that. I'll swing up to his shop and we'll do another cool video. Maybe we'll go for a ride in it here soon. So quick last little video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the progress updates on this. And yeah, Jimbo knocked it out of the park. We did. Super fun project, guys. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I got some more good stuff coming in. We still got Clyde's truck. We still got Martin's truck. And we got Project 64 over there that's going to start getting torn down and ready to roll. And then we got Josh's 64 that'll be back for some more frame boxing. Mount the cab. We'll be doing pedals. Setting in his seats, getting them adjusted where it needs to be. And if you guys didn't watch the videos on that, that's the race truck. So make sure you guys check those videos out. Everything's on my page. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys soon.